You finally cleared your Saturday to build something. You've got the lumber, you've got the tools. You pull up the plan you downloaded, and by step 5, nothing makes sense anymore. If that sounds familiar, stay with me, because I found something that might actually fix that problem for good. Here's the thing most woodworkers won't admit out loud. The reason your projects don't turn out the way you pictured them, it's usually not your skill, it's not your tools, it's the plan. Most woodworking plans you find online, or even in magazines, look great at first glance. Nice photos, clean layout. You buy the lumber, block off your weekend, and get started. Then, around step 4 or 5, things fall apart. A measurement that doesn't match the diagram. A step that jumps from cut the side panels straight to attach the face frame with nothing in between. A materials list that's just slightly off, enough to send you back to the hardware store twice. And the worst part, you start to think it's your fault. It's not. The plan just wasn't finished. I've been there. Most woodworkers have. And that's exactly the problem that TedsWoodworking was built to solve. So what is TedsWoodworking? It's a library of over 16,000 woodworking plans, built by a guy named Ted McGrath, a master woodworker who's been teaching hands-on workshop classes for 25 years and is a member of the Architectural Woodwork Institute. And here's what makes this different from every other plan bundle you've seen. Every single plan in this library has been physically built in Ted's workshop before it gets published. If a step is confusing, it gets rewritten. If a measurement is off, even by a 1/16 of an inch, it gets caught in his shop, not yours. That might sound like a small thing, but if you've ever wasted $60 of lumber on a bad plan, you know it's not small at all. This is designed for anyone who wants to actually finish a project, beginner or experienced, small garage shop or full setup. Doesn't matter. Let's talk about what's actually inside. You get over 16,000 plans across 10 major categories: furniture, outdoor and garden, storage, buildings and shelters, workshop tools, kids projects, home decor, kitchen, pet projects, and more. Every plan includes step-by-step instructions, exact cut lists, complete materials lists, and multi-angle schematics with exploded views of every joint. The members area is fully searchable. You type in bookcase or garden bench, and you get exactly what you need. Filtered by category, difficulty level, whatever works for you. It's not a zip file full of chaos. It's an organized library, and the numbers behind this are real. Ted has a team of 12 full-time designers and builders. They release 5 new plans every week. Over 54,000 woodworkers have already purchased access, and they've tracked over 173,000 total projects built from these plans. That custom plan request feature is something I didn't expect. Most plan bundles sell you what they have and walk away. This one actually builds what you need. Okay, let me answer the questions I know you're probably sitting on. Will this work for me if I'm a beginner? Yes. The majority of the 16,000 plans are beginner and intermediate level. You can filter by difficulty right in the members area. Dennis from Baton Rouge built a wall-mounted tool cabinet and a step stool, and his shop is literally half a one-car garage with a folding workbench. Is $67 actually worth it? Individual woodworking plans sell online for $10 to $20 each. At that rate, this collection's value would be well into the 6 figures. You're paying $67 one time, no monthly fees, ever, and getting lifetime access plus monthly updates. Even if you only build 5 projects, the math works. What if I don't use it? The search bar actually solves this. You're not digging through 16,000 files hoping to stumble onto something. You type what you want to build, filter by what you can handle, and you're cutting lumber the same weekend. The barrier between I want to build that and actually starting is basically gone. What if I don't like it? There's a 60-day money-back guarantee, no questions, no fine print. If you don't think it's the most complete woodworking resource you've ever owned, you email Ted and get a full refund within 48 hours. The payment processor is ClickBank, which has been operating since 1997. It's a legit purchase backed by a real guarantee. Here's where things stand right now. The standard TedsWoodworking membership is moving to $39 per month. That's the direction the pricing is heading for all new members once the transition is complete. But right now, at this specific offer, you can lock in lifetime access for a one-time payment of $67. Same library, same monthly plan releases, same custom requests, no recurring fees, ever. That offer is scheduled to close after April 23rd, 2026. Once it's gone, the only option is the monthly subscription. You also get 4 bonuses included today at no extra cost. a DWG and CAD plan viewer software, 150 premium woodworking videos, a guide on how to start a woodworking business, and a 200-page complete woodworking guide covering tools, joints, and foundations. The link to the current offer is in the description below. You already know what you want to build. You've probably been thinking about it for a while. The only thing between you and that finished project is a plan that actually works. Click the link in the description, check the current pricing, and decide for yourself. The 60-day guarantee means there's no real risk, just a reason to finally start. I'll see you in the next one.